Fixing air bubbles in the brake system during bleeding is essential for restoring proper brake pressure and ensuring safety. Air bubbles can cause a soft or spongy brake pedal and reduce braking performance. Here's a step-by-step guide to fixing the problem. The first step in fixing air bubbles during brake bleeding is to check for leaks in the system. Before you begin rebleeding the brakes, carefully inspect all brake lines, calipers, hoses, and fittings for any signs of fluid leakage. Even a small leak can allow air to enter the system, which will continue to cause a spongy brake pedal no matter how often you bleed the brakes. Pressure bleeding is an effective method for removing air bubbles from the brake system. It involves using a pressure bleeder, a tool that attaches to the brake fluid reservoir and forces fluid through the system under controlled pressure. This steady flow of fluid helps push trapped air out of the brake lines and calipers without the need for someone to pump the brake pedal. It also helps ensure a more consistent and thorough bleed, improving overall brake performance. While bleeding the brakes, it's crucial to keep the master cylinder reservoir full of brake fluid at all times. As fluid is pushed through the system, the level in the reservoir drops, and if it runs dry even briefly, air can be drawn back into the lines. To avoid this, check the fluid level frequently during the procedure and top it off with the correct type of brake fluid as needed. Maintaining a full reservoir ensures a smooth and effective bleeding process. After completing the bleeding process, it's important to recheck the brake pedal feel to ensure the system is functioning properly. A vacuum brake bleeder is a handy tool used to remove air bubbles and old brake fluid from a vehicle's brake system. Billetools Vacuum Brake Bleeder Kit is perfect for one-person use. It features automatic shutoff and is great for changing brake fluid, clutch fluid, or engine oil. It works quickly, cleanly and efficiently without needing special brake reservoir caps. Simply draw fluid directly from the bleed screw for bleeding or full fluid replacement. Using a brake bleeder kit ensures a more thorough and consistent removal of air, which is especially important in vehicles with ABS systems. Overall, it's a cost-effective tool that enhances both vehicle safety and DIY convenience. This tool must be used with an air compressor. Regular maintenance and proper bleeding not only restore firm brake pedal feel, but also help extend the life of your brake components.